when the sky would bring me nothing except the smell of the rain at summertime. So I left my window open just to let you come inside, saying that you'd never leave me was a lie. And there were times that my eyes were filled with water, but all the world was desert dry. So I hugged my pillow closer and I tried to close my eyes, but the sound of distant thunder made me cry. Lady rain, I hear you at my window. Lady rain, I need you softly falling on my face. Why did the sunshine come and take you away? Away for you again, my lady rain. I hear the sound of her breathing in the darkness. And autumn rain can turn to snow in the night. I'll be sleeping this September, but I'll leave the fire light just in case you feel like coming round again. Lady rain, I hear you at my window. Lady rain, I need you softly falling on my face. Why did the sunshine come and take you away? Away for you again, my lady rain. And late at night, when you pour down on me, oh, you're just in time to wash all the tears away. Lady rain, I hear you at my window. Lady rain, I need you softly falling on my face. Why did the sunshine come and take you away? Wait for you again, my lady rain. Oh, I hear you at my window. Lady rain, I need you softly falling on my face. Why did the sunshine